Formula is net national product and market prices and NPMP. This is a measure of how much a country can consume in a given period of time. It means how much a country's consumption capacity is there in a given period of time, that is calculated by net national product and market prices and NPMP. An NPM measures output regardless of where that production has taken place, in domestic territory or abroad. An NPMP equals to GNPMP minus depreciation, and NPMP equals to NDPMP plus NFIA. Let us abbreviate this. Let us full form of these abbreviations. Net national product and market price equals to gross national product and market price minus depreciation. We have learnt earlier also. Net national product and market price equals to net domestic product market price plus net factor incomes of area abroad. So that is the formula of net national product and market prices. It measures how much a country can consume in a given period of time. The next formula comes NNP factor cost, NNP factor cost, or NNP or national income, the last national income calculation. Net national product factor cost is a sum of income earned by all factors in the production in the form of wages, profits, rent and interest, etc. belonging to a country during a year. So net national product factor cost is sum of incomes earned by all the factors in the production. That we have already learned. Factors of production equals to wages, profit, interest and the wages and the rent belonging to a country during the year. When we will calculate to all these incomes, it will be considered as net national product factor cost, and it is also known as national income. It is a national product and it is not bound by production in the national boundaries. It is a net domestic factors income added with the net factor income from abroad. So the formula equals to national income equals to net national product and market price minus net product taxes minus net production taxes equals to net domestic product and factor cost plus net factor incomes abroad equals to net national product and factor cost. It means national income. Gross value added at market prices, it equals to gross domestic product at market prices. We had already calculated GDPMP. Gross value added at basic prices equals to gross value added market prices minus net product taxes. And the last formula, gross value added at factor cost equals to gross value added at basic prices minus net production taxes. Thank you for today's class. Tomorrow we will learn the next topic, that is nominal and real GDP.